Hello everybody. How you guys doing tonight? So today I'm going to show you guys how to make a glass door with a shaker pocket, and on a shaker you can insert a beadboard on it. Then on the glass side you can install with the glass. Okay. Now let's go to our Mastercam 9 and open that up, and let's go to create and rectangle and get on 1 point. We're going to put 48 by 90. Then right here, click on this corner here and click OK. Drag all the way to this left corner here and click on it. Click Escape. Alt F1. Put the screen in the middle. Now we're gonna go to or create again. Rectangle. We're gonna use 1 point. This time we're gonna put 40 by 80. Okay, that's how long we're gonna do. Okay. Put it in this middle here and click OK. Try to line up in the middle here. Okay. That's about right. Click Escape. Okay, we're gonna go to X-form and click on offset. We're gonna click on copy here. Okay, so we have the 40 by 80. So we're gonna put, so 80, we're gonna put 40. We can try to get in the middle. Okay, click OK here. Start from this bottom right here. Click 1 right there. Okay, now go back again to offset. Now this time we're gonna put a 1.25, okay? 1.25, we're gonna click on the middle of the line, click OK. From this side, click it. And then from this side, go up. Okay, now go back to offset again. And now this time we're gonna use, so this 2.5, we're gonna put 2.5 all corner, okay? 2.5, click OK. This bottom right here, okay? This bottom right here, and on the side here, and the side right here, okay? That's what we have. Okay, now we're gonna go to main menu again, and click on modify, and trim. We click on one entity, okay? Start from the top first, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay? Now do this one right here, 1, 2, 1 and 2. Again, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, now we're gonna delete one line here, in the middle right here. Go ahead, delete that line. Now we're gonna go back to main menu. Gonna use this X form again, click on offset. We're gonna click 2.5. Okay, we're gonna do this side now, right here. Okay, and right here, okay? Now we're gonna trim the same thing as what we did before. We're gonna go modify, trim, one entity, okay? Now start from right here, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? This side right here, one entity, 1, 2, 1 and 2. This side right here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay? Now we're gonna do this right here, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay? And do 1 here, 2 here, 1 here, 2 here, okay? Now we're gonna go back, main menu. We're gonna click on create, click on line, okay? Okay, now we got our line right here, straighten up. Okay, we got 2.5, 2.5 here, 2.5 here, 2.5 here. All corner here is 2.5, all even out, okay? Okay, now go back to main menu. And now we're gonna use run our pocket. We're gonna pocket the shaker right here on the top. And this one right, we're gonna run a shaker also, but we're gonna do the glass, okay? Now let's go to our main menu, and then we're gonna click on toolpad, click on pocket. On top pocket, we're gonna click on right here, in the middle right here, highlight all the way through. Then on this one, we're gonna click also, highlight it, okay? And click done. And right click on the tool library. We're gonna use a 1/4 inch tool, okay? So we're gonna have to go to scroll down to get 235. And we have right here a 1/4 inch flat end mill. Click on that. We got tool number 1 here, 1/4 inch flat, feed rate, plunge rate, retractor rate, and the spindle speed right here. So the feed rate, plunge rate, retractor, we're not going to change anything, but we do going to change this to 2000. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to go to pocket parameter. All tools right here, and this all material 3/4 inch MDF, and we're going to make a check mark right here on clear 2.0. Then we make sure we got this absolute. Then we're going to come down to stop at stock. We're going to put 0.75. We're running a 3/4 inch material. Then on the depth right here, so since we're running a pocket, so we're going to put a negative 0.25, okay? Negative 0.25. Only running a 1/4 inch down, okay? Now we're gonna go roughing parameter. We're gonna click on zigzag, okay? And click OK. It's all light up, okay? Now I'm gonna go to a contour, okay? Then we're gonna do right here on this bottom right here, okay? We gotta click on inside right here, click it, and then click done. Now this time we're gonna use a 1/4 inch also right here. So we have the tool already. So we're gonna go to contour parameter, and then we're gonna click right here, and we're gonna cut all the way down. So we're gonna put negative 0.75, okay? Negative 0.75. And we're gonna put all the way through. This one go all the way through, this one's not, okay? So now we're gonna go back to contour. We're gonna cut all the glass out, all this door right here. You can click right here, make sure it's highlighted. Okay, we're gonna cut all the way out and click done. And on this right here is our tool library. Go ahead and right click, get tool from our tool library. We're gonna scroll down to 239 for a 1/2 inch flat end mill, which is right here. Gonna click OK. And this one right here, we're gonna change. Okay, we're gonna change to 8.0. All of it. Plunge rate 8.0 also. And retractor rate 8.0 also. And then on the spindle speed, we're gonna go 4,000. Okay. We're gonna go a little bit faster. Okay. Now on the contour parameter, we got our tool, our material here. Look is right. And on the depth right here, we need to just go ahead and put the depth. We're gonna put a negative 0.75. We're gonna cut all the way through. Negative 0.75. We're gonna click OK here. Okay, look like we got our door done. So now we're gonna go to operation. You're gonna select all, regenerable path, and then verify. Okay, so we got one here, one tool, two tool, and three tool. Okay, so verify. Okay, now we're gonna click right here. Just go ahead and execute. Click on the start button. So this is how it looks. Okay, so you're going a little bit faster right here. You can. So this is a zigzag on the pocket. Okay, I hope you guys like this video, guys, and if you do, please subscribe to the video so I can make more video for you guys. And if you guys have any comment, please listen below so I can get to it. And if you guys want me to do anything else besides this door or anything else you have in mind, please leave in the comment below and I will get to that also. Okay, and other than that, I appreciate your time and I hope you guys have a great day, and I see you next time. Okay, so all right, good luck. Bye bye.